things say. U.S. government road, not for public use. Department of Transportation. Okay, they don't want us on that road. Authorized entry only.
Ooh.
Hang gliding or other recreational activities prohibited. Huh. Okay. All right.
Science City.
Look, now there's a sign up that brown sign says something trail has an arrow. You see that?
Skyline Trail. That's where we want to go. Let me turn around that way.
And this, what does this bullshit say? Not for public use, U.S. government roadway. And it's locked though.
I mean, you can get around on a bike.
Take a bike, nobody would care.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Not for driving, but for biking, yes. And who's gonna cave this shit anyway?
No, nobody's gonna even know.
You're on it.
I'm doing it. I
Yeah.
don't fucking care.
That's
Doing
way
it.
down. Look at that.
Haleakala.
It
The
starts going
red
down.
shirt people.
Yeah, it starts going down like right.
Oh yeah.
Just like,
You see red shirt people?
Yeah.